I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of CMA Intermediate Paper number 6 Law and Ethics study material of MEPL classes of Mohit Agarwal sir. I have enrolled myself for the classes before 7 to 8 days ago, and I have got my books today. So let's start our unboxing. This parcel which I had got from the MEPL classes. So let's open it. I'm feeling quite nervous while opening it. These are the books which I have got from the MEPL classes. I got these 4 books. First one is Volume 1 Corporate Law. Second one is Law Summary Chart and MCQ book. Third one is Law and Ethics CMA Inter Volume 3. Fourth one is Corporate Law Workbook, which is Volume 4. In Corporate Law Volume 1, all the corporate laws are included. In second book, Law and Summary Chart and MCQ book, all MCQ and chart books are given in this book. And third one is Law and Ethics. And in Volume 4, all the corporate law work. This is corporate law workbook, and all the question and answers is given in this for the extra practice like this. Here is the question and we have to write here the answers of this question for the practice, which is very beneficial. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.